today again we are going for the shopping, and we have a very big family, so we have to shop a lot. Today we are going for a shopping for Masi. She need to buy iPhone, and so we are going to see that. Let's go. So here we are. Now we're gonna go to the Chrome. And we are getting iPhone for the third time at the same place. So iPhone 17. It is not available here, so we are going to the Subhash Nagar now. So hope we could find there the silver color. They have the blue one and the orange one, but not the silver one. But we want silver. Into the Pacific. Let's see if we could find here. Here we are at the Unicorn. Then, yeah, this is the one. It is so pretty, such a pretty size and the color. This is what we are looking for. Getting this one.
This is perfect size.
A little cuter size.
Yeah,
this looks better for the girls.
Yeah.
We didn't got it. He said it's in stock, but the other salesman said it's not available, so we have to go find it somewhere else, or we're gonna come like after 2-3 days to get that. It will get restocked after 2-3 days. Silver is so in demand.
Always out of stock.
Yeah.
Always.
Yeah. It's out of stock everywhere. So we're gonna come after 2-3 days. Or maybe we will find there is one more store, Chroma, here as well. Hope we will find there. Let's go. Now she's looking for some blush. It's okay. Let's do the unboxing now. Finally, drum roll. Wow. Pretty. Follow. Yay! Finally, we got it. God, after searching for 2-3 stores, we finally got it. This color is so in demand that there is no discount on it. बाकी सारे कलर्स में डिस्काउंट है, बट इस वाले कलर में बिल्कुल भी डिस्काउंट नहीं है. फाइनली वी गॉट इट. वी आर हैप्पी नाउ. लेट्स गो. वी आर इन Zara looking for the footwear. I like this one. I like this one the better. How does it look? Pretty. It is so trendy. It's so cute, but she already bought it. It's night already. Let's go back home now. So again, we received so many parcels from Nykaa, Amazon and all. We have ordered so many makeup products, as I already told you, because we have a very important function coming up. For that, you guys need to stay tuned. I'm gonna reveal that in coming vlogs. So let me unbox these. First, let me unbox this. Let's see what's in this. So it's a Korean brand, and it's a spray for hydrating the skin before doing our makeup. And the next from the Amazon. This is also a Korean brand. Now we have a lot of Korean brand from Tirtir. It's a makeup fixer. It's obviously. And the third of we do not use a lot of makeup like all these setting spray and all this, but since we have a function coming up, so it's important for that, that's why. So these are, it's a white kajal and sky high mascara, and this is lip oil. I bought the Etude. This is the lip oil, how cute it is. It feels so smooth. I don't know. Don't judge my condition because this is how I look at home. So this is the fourth one. Let's see what's inside this. खोलेंगे रुक जाओ, पहले देखते हैं इसके अंदर क्या है. So we have a concealer palette. Let's see. Ooh. Wow. We never ordered concealer palette, but this time let's try it. We even don't know how to, but we have a little bit knowledge about this. So let's try and learn. But this is it. We still have a more product coming up. We're gonna show that later. Okay then. Everyone, here we are for shopping in Westside. Shopping is done. Now we are going back. So guys, today again we are going for a shopping. Now the date is coming up and we are so scared. We are not fully prepared. We still have a lot of shopping to do. We are back after shopping. Now we are done. So we just got back home and we had to do some shopping. As I already told you, we have a function at our home. So for that we have to do a lot of shopping. So today we went for some jewelry shopping, and I'm gonna give you a little bit of haul about that. इंडियन ड्रेसेस और इंडियन ज्वेलरीज बहुत कम लिया हुआ है, तो पता ही नहीं चलता क्या पहनना है, उसके साथ कौन सा ज्वेलरी पहनना है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. सो हमने पता नहीं कभी इसके लिए कुछ ले आते हैं, कभी तो ज़्यादा एक्स्ट्रा भी ले आते हैं जो चाहिए भी नहीं होगा. सो वी डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू नाउ. सो वी हैव गॉट फ्यू थिंग्स. अब देखते हैं ये सब कुछ मैच होता है कि नहीं. So this is one chudi we got, and another we got this one. हमारी फैमिली बहुत बड़ी है और फिर सबके लिए अलग अलग चूड़ियाँ लाना पड़ता है, फिर बहुत ज़्यादा ज्वेलरीज हो जाएगी. तो ये वाला लाया क्योंकि ये मल्टी कलर है तो सारे आउटफिट्स को चल जाएगा. दैट इज़ अ प्लस पॉइंट. इंडियन वेयर और इंडियन शॉपिंग ज्वेलरी सब कुछ मैच करना बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. बीइंग ए वुमन इज़ रियली हार्ड. लड़कों का कुछ भी नहीं है, लड़कों का जल्दी से एक शर्ट और कुछ ले आए बस. लड़कियों को मैचिंग ज्वेलरीज, मैचिंग इयररिंग्स एंड रिंग्स, बहुत मुश्किल है. एंड वी ऑल्सो गॉट दिस वन मोर चूड़ी. लुक एट दिस, हाउ प्रिटी दिस इज. बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है. एक्चुअली यहाँ पे अभी शाम हो गया तो मैं यहाँ पे शूट कर रही हूँ बिकॉज़ अंदर ये लाइटिंग नहीं है अच्छी. सो दैट्स वाई this is the another one, and then we got few earrings. Look at this. This is so pretty. कितना प्यारा है. This one, and ये पूरा सेट है. इसमें सारा earrings, Mount टिका. Look at this. इसके साथ ये है. एंड देन हमारे जो छोटे बच्चे हैं उनके लिए भी लाया छोटे छोटे इयररिंग दिस. और एंड देन आई आल्सो गॉट वन, एक सेट लाया है कुंदन का सेट, वो मैं अभी लाना भूल गई. सो आई एम गोना शो यू लेटर दैट. एंड वी आल्सो रिसीव्ड फ्यू पार्सल्स. काफ़ी सारे अनबॉक्सिंग कर लिया हुआ है, तो ये और रहते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट्स इनसाइड दिस. This is for the first time we're gonna be trying this false lashes. This is so pretty. So another one is this. Let's see what's inside. Wow. So this one is makeup pouch. Look at how pretty it is. Fabric is also really good. और इसका एक छोटा वाला pouch भी है. So guys, I'm gonna keep you guys updated on whatever we're gonna do. So guys, stay tuned for all of those. क्या होने वाला है वो सब कुछ मैं आपको अगले वीडियो में बताऊंगी. So yeah, stay tuned for that.
Hello everyone, today is the next day and today we have an appointment at salon, so we are going there.
We have bought few of things. Now we are going for grooming. Let's see which one. This. This is her nails before. Let's see after. We are going for a very simple, subtle pinkish color. Done with the nails. This is her nails. It's looking pretty.
I guess it's
neutral.
a little flashy.
But it will look good with the clothes and all. Everything is flashy, so it need to be flashy. We are not used to it, so it is a little bit of flashy for us, but it will look good with the clothes and all. Yeah, it will look good. And now we are going in the Yevon. We have been there already, so it's good, so we are going again there. This is her hair before. Finally, grooming is done. We're done with the shopping, going back home. Now we are going to the Punjab Basti. Now so we are here to eat something. We got so tired. So guys, we are back from the shopping. We are so tired now. So guys, this is it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.